Hey guys, welcome back to the Archway to Heaven. Today we're going to be working on making an apple pie. This apple pie has been in my family for a pretty long time and it tastes so amazing. So what we're going to be doing is peeling and cutting 2 Granny Smith apples and putting them in a bowl to then set aside. After doing that, you're going to want to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 20 grams of sugar, 40 grams of brown sugar, and 5 grams of flour into a medium bowl with the apples and toss. Next up, I'm putting my apples in a pan and dotting them with 6 small cubes of butter. I'm then mixing up a 1/60th of an ounce of apple cider along with a 1/20th of an ounce of Myers dark rum. For our 4th and final step, I'm drizzling my apple cider mixture on top of my apples before mixing 25 grams of softened butter, a 1/4 cup of flour, 40 grams of brown sugar, and 20 grams of pecans into our crumble topping for our apple pie. I'm then baking that for 20 minutes in my 400-degree oven. Hope you guys loved the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.